several equipment of TYSIM, the multiple rotary drilling rigs with Caterpillar chassis developed, have performed outstandingly in the construction of the power tower piles in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, demonstrating strong technical strength and efficient operation capabilities. The pile diameter requirement of the site is 800 millimeters. The pile depth is about 12 meters. The stratum is mainly sand and gravel, with its excellent performance. The equipment of TYSIM has achieved a high working efficiency of one pile in half an hour, which has been highly recognized by the local construction party.